Morning Mastery 9 Rituals to Radiate Energy and Boost Productivity. Hey there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a game changer because we're unlocking the secrets to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of radiant energy and skyrocket your productivity. This is the ultimate morning routine guide, and you're in for a treat. But before we dive into these transformative rituals, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that button and join our incredible community. Now picture this, waking up each morning with a sense of purpose, a burst of energy, and a clear path to conquer the day. That's not just a dream, it's within your reach, and we're about to spill the beans on how to make it a reality. We've curated 9 powerful rituals that will set the stage for a morning that not only feels good, but propels you toward success. So, without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Commit to good sleep habits. First up, let's talk about something we all love but often neglect: good sleep. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, it's time to address that issue head-on. Lack of sleep not only cranks up your stress levels but also messes with your emotions, leaving you feeling like a roller coaster of anxiety, anger, and fear. But hey, we're not here to scare you. We're here to empower you. So if counting sheep just isn't cutting it, chat with your doctor. There might be other tricks up their sleeves to help you catch that rejuvenating sleep. After all, quality sleep is the secret sauce for a morning routine that kickstarts your day with a smile. 2. Reduce friction. Creating a fantastic morning ritual isn't a spontaneous act. It's a well-crafted symphony that actually begins the night before. Make it effortless to stick to your created routine by taking some proactive steps in the night. Start by laying out your workout clothes. It's like a motivational high five waiting for you in the morning. And for that aromatic wake-up call, set up your coffee or tea brewing equipment the night before. A delicious incentive to jump out of bed. Now, if morning journaling is on your agenda, don't just think about it. Make it happen. Place your journal and favorite pen on the bedside table, turning it into a creative haven for your thoughts. By minimizing distractions and streamlining your prep work, you'll carve out more time to focus on the meaningful aspects of your morning routine. 3. Ditch the screen. By this point, we're all familiar with the pitfalls of late-night scrolling on our smartphones and tablets. It's like a siren song pulling us into a sea of distracting feeds, wreaking havoc on our good sleep habits and even paving the way for those unwelcome bouts of insomnia. But here's the twist. The same screen-focused saga continues in the morning, disrupting our quest for focused self-time. Starting your day by diving into the abyss of digital content can scatter your attention, precisely when you're aiming to center yourself. So let's break the cycle. Resist that tempting urge to seek another hit of dopamine from the never-ending scroll of content, especially before the rest of your morning ritual unfolds. 4. Drink water. The Morning Elixir. Picture this, a refreshing glass of water greeting you first thing in the morning. Not only does it kickstart your hydration game, but it also brings a ton of benefits to the table. Improved digestion, maintaining a healthy weight, boosting mental focus and mood enhancement. It's like a miracle elixir for your morning routine. And here's a little nugget from science. Increasing your water intake might just be the key to a healthier cardiovascular system. So why not make H2O your morning BFF? Oh, and about that morning coffee or tea ritual, hold your horses. Cortisol levels, aka your natural alertness boosters, peak between 8 and 9 a.m. To ride the caffeine wave effectively, wait it out until 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Trust us, your coffee will taste even better when the timing's just right. 5. Make your bed, your daily triumph. Now onto a simple yet powerful habit, making your bed. Starting your day with this small task sets the tone for success. Accomplishment breeds momentum, and suddenly you're ready to conquer the world. Plus, here's a fun fact. You'll be 19% more likely to snag a good night's sleep if you've got a neatly made bed waiting for you. 6. Meditate. Embrace the Zen. Ever dreamt of reducing stress, boosting focus, and improving your mental health, all in one go? Well, buckle up, because meditation is your ticket to achieving just that. This morning ritual isn't just about sitting cross-legged, it's a powerhouse for your mind and body. If you're a meditation newbie, fear not. Start with a humble 10-15 minutes. Find a comfy spot, sit tall, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Or, if you prefer, explore the world of guided meditations to ease into the practice. Stress reduction, mental clarity, improved sleep. Meditation's got it all. 7. Journal. Unleash your thoughts. Now let's talk about putting pen to paper. Whether you call it a diary, log, or morning pages, Journaling is a game changer. It's your key to navigating through the mental chatter, gaining clarity on your goals, and setting the tone for an epic day. Take a few minutes each morning to jot down your thoughts, dreams, fears, and plans. It's like giving your brain a spring cleaning, making room for fresh ideas and spotting potential challenges before they become roadblocks. 8. Preview your day, boss mode activated. To supercharge your productivity for the day ahead, cap off your morning ritual with a smart transitional step that mentally reattaches you to your business. A strategic move to achieve this is by incorporating the habit of previewing your day. Take a few minutes to skim through your calendar and to-do list, highlight the most crucial tasks, and sketch out plans to tackle them first. This previewing ritual works wonders, helping you reconnect to work mode and sharpen your focus on professional obligations. A gradual symphony of rituals. Now you might be thinking, can I really do all of these in one go? Well, hold on. Like a morning symphony, you don't need to play all the instruments at once. Start with the low-hanging fruit, the rituals that resonate with you the most. Maybe it's the calming meditation, the liberating journaling, or the strategic day preview. Do what feels natural, and gradually weave in the other practices. Think of it as creating your personalized morning masterpiece. Start small, build momentum, and enjoy the journey. And there you have it, our incredible morning mastery guide with 9 rituals to infuse your mornings with energy and catapult your productivity to new heights. If you found these morning mastery rituals valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community. Share your journey with us in the comments. We'd love to hear how these rituals are transforming your mornings. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, embrace the morning magic, radiate positive energy, and conquer your day.